Hey folks, Anthony Special here with Hawkeye Traders. Hope you're having a wonderful day. I want to share a easy to identify opportunity by utilizing our tools. Of course, before we do that, we're just going to take a quick look at the disclaimer. Anything we discuss here is for information and educational purposes only, and we'll jump right in. So this was early this morning on the ES. The ES is the S&P futures contract here, the E-mini to be exact, and our indicators prompted along at 41.8975 and ran really straight up to that level 7 ATR at 41.98. This was a really terrific intraday opportunity on a 3-minute chart. This is not fancy. This is just identifying the trend dot, the volume, the heat map, and just taking an entry. Now, you could have managed this in a couple different manners. You could have peeled off profit along the way. You could have moved your stop along utilizing our ATR method, or you could have very well just followed the trends and stop. Either way, you slice this, it was profitable no matter which way you manage this trade. That's the beauty of our indicators. Our indicators give you the opportunity to build the trade plan that you desire to trade, and then just implement the rules so that you have the opportunity to book these kinds of profits. Things may come to those who wait, but only the things left by those who hustle. What does that mean? It simply means that somebody that's out there grinding day in and day out is really the one who's going to get the greatest opportunity. Will there be leftovers? Will there be crumbs? Of course there will. But the guy that's the head of the pack, the alpha male, the alpha leader, and it's not even that it has to be a male. It's the alpha individual person who is really the leader of the pack, the one that's hustling, the one that's driving things. Everything else is kind of going to fall in place behind that. So I want you to be aware, will you find things that come to you as you wait? Yes. Will you get better and more aggressive things if you take that step forward? Absolutely. I mean, life is full of taking action. And the byproduct of that action is, of course, your ability to obtain whatever it is your goal is to obtain. Now, guys, if you'd like to learn more about how you can identify a trade as simple and easy as the one I just showed you, there's a link directly below this video. If you click on it, it'll take you to the Project vSwarm webinar. In this webinar, I'm going to show you an example after example, just like the one I did today, and you can decide for yourself if you'd like to get started with us. We would love to welcome you to the Hawkeye family. We are here to give you not only the best volume-based indicators that exist, we're also here to give you the training, the support, and of course, the access to me, which is here to help you. Now, I am live with you every single Wednesday morning for about an hour from 9:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And that is your time to have direct access to me, to ask me questions. We can look at your stocks, we can analyze your stocks, and it gives you the opportunity to have that comfort when you are ready to take your trade, that you've had a second opinion take a look at it. So guys, again, click that link. Love to get you signed up, and we look forward to working with you. Have a blessed day. Take care.